Hello there, let's talk today about how to connect a Wyze camera to a new Wi-Fi. I have here the Wyze Camera version 2, Wyze Camera version 3, and back there the Wyze Camera Pan. They connect the same way to the new Wi-Fi. Basically, you check here that I have the camera, let's say the number 2 for example. And when I come here to settings, I see on the device info the Wi-Fi the camera is connected to. You see, network, max-24, that's my Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, I cannot change it here to a new Wi-Fi. What I have to do is come back here to the main screen, to the main settings of the camera. Down here, I have the delete option. So I just click here to delete the device, click yes, and I'm ready to add the device again, which is pretty simple, okay? Let me do this with the Wyze Camera version 3 as well. When I click here and I check the device info, as you can see here, I have a different network, okay? That's a new network. I use this name just to keep people away from my network. They don't connect because they are afraid to connect to this one. So that's the idea. So there's no way to remove here or to change to anyone as well. So I need to come here to the settings and delete the device. Yes, to delete. Then I don't have the cameras here anymore. I just need to add them again. I click here to add a new device. Here we go, cameras. Here I can select Wyze Camera version 2 here or version 3 here. Let's start with the version 2. Here we go. You need to come here in the camera and press this button. Here we go. I'm gonna press it here.
Ready to connect.
So I hear this message, ready to connect. I'm just put the camera back in its place, and here click on next.
Ready to connect.
I heard the message ready to connect, click next, and here I can select the Wi-Fi, right? So when I click this button, I can select the Wi-Fi network.
Ready to connect.
And takes me here where I can select the Wi-Fi that I have available there, right? So let's select here another one. I have, just remember,
Ready to connect.
do not select the 5G version, the 5 gigahertz, right? So I have my signals here named differently. This max-24, for example, is for me to remember that I have a 2.4 gigahertz signal here for this Wi-Fi. I'm gonna use this one. Then I just wait for it to have this check and come back here to the Wyze app and I have it here, right? Then I insert my password for my Wi-Fi.
Ready to connect.
Click next. I heard the message ready to connect. I'm gonna scan the QR code. Just point this to the camera. Point the camera to the cell phone.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
Okay. I heard the message, QR code scanned. Click next here. And now it's connecting. And it's going to connect to the new Wi-Fi, okay? So pretty simple. It's not that hard to do it. There's no interface to directly switch to another one, but you just need to remove and add it again. You see here, setup completed, and here I just need to give the camera a name. Let's say here, for example, Wyze 2. And I just need to continue here and complete the setup, okay? The same applies to the Wyze version 3, the Wyze Camera Pan. It's the same, skip here, finish, and I'm ready to go. Okay, working now. Takes a while, so here we go. Now back here to the settings, let's just check on device info, and I have the Wi-Fi max-24. Okay, so works pretty simple like this. If you wanna see again, I can add a new camera. Okay, let's come here to add a device. Cameras, version 3 now. And then I need to come to the camera, same way, press the button here, the setup button.
Ready to connect.
Then I hear this message, ready to connect. Put my camera back into place. Click next here. I heard the message ready to connect. Next, select my Wi-Fi as well. It's already here, but if I want to select, I just click select Wi-Fi network. And I have the list here from my Wi-Fi, from my iPhone. Back here to Wyze. Here I have the password already. And just need to read the QR code. Okay, move away and close. until it see it. Here we go.
Code scanned. Please wait.
Just need to move far away and close to the camera so I can see it. So it was scanned. Next, and now it's connecting.
Setup completed.
Okay, I heard the message, setup completed, and I'm ready to go. Just name the device as well here, Wyze 3 for this one. Basic, continue, confirm, skip, finish. And here I have it, ready to go. Remember that I had that other one here. Now I just change it to the new Wi-Fi, okay? Max 24 as well, right? So they're working, and that's the way you can change your Wi-Fi on the Wyze cameras, okay? If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.